connect. If you have not watched the video yet about attract, I would like you to pause this video, go to the other video that explains about attract. From attract, you go to connect. And as you connect, connection is of course everything that you do with your prospects, and to build a little bit of that rapport in a very short period of time, so that they start to like you, so that they start to trust you, and so that they understand that you are an expert. In that short period of time of that connectivity, it's all about making sure that you position yourself well as an authority. And as you position yourself as an authority, people accept in what you say, and people also accept you as the same level. Because if you position yourself a little bit as a lower level, people are overlooking you and they don't really respect you as an authority and as an expert. So have that connectivity. You do that through asking a lot of questions, open questions, specific questions, so that people can really identify you as that expert. That is all within connect. In the next stage, you start presenting under the delivery stage. But if there's not enough connection, if there's not enough rapport, I can tell you from a lot of experience that the delivery stage will never work. So practice on connecting with people and you'll do a great job. Oh, and by the way, if you want to understand the full framework, you just go to our general video where we explain attract, connect, deliver, repeat. Go ahead, watch that video first if you want to understand everything and how it comes together. And don't forget to download this also in our university. You can see the link below. Now go to the next video in delivery where we explain to you